Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan, your English teacher, and this time I have taken the topic analytical paragraph that is here in your exam, in your question paper, English question paper. So how to write and how can you write in a very effective way so that you can impress your examiner. So I am going to discuss this. So what is analytical paragraph? An analytical paragraph is a form of descriptive writing which is written on the basis of the given chart, graph, data, outline, clues, anything can be there. Table, it may be map. So on the basis of that, you have to write analytical paragraph. As we know very well that analyze is here to analyze something, to just thinking critically. So this is the same thing. You have to observe, you have to analyze the given data, and on the basis of your understanding you have to write down comparatively. So here it requires analysis and comparison of the given facts. So here format, it shall be divided into 3 parts. In the first part we introduce. So first we introduce the topic. In the second part we start the body of the paragraph, and in the last and concluding part contains conclusion. Means we have to include conclusion, what actually has been given in the data and what you have understood by that given data. So you have to write down conclusion also. And here are few useful tips while you start your paragraph writing, analytical paragraph. So first you can start with the chart given above describes, or you can write the table suggests, the line graph shows, anything you can write. The pie chart illustrates, etc. So here we can start with these lines, either this or this. So any one line we can start here. So we have to start like this. For example, it is here given data. You can see here this is about internet activities by age group. So here teenagers, 20 years age, 30 years age, 40 years age, 50 years age, 60 years age, 70 plus. So here this is getting news, online games, downloads, product research. Means you have to critically examine what actually has been given here, the topic according to the topic, and then how many teenagers are involved in getting news, how many 20 years people are involved, how many 30s years age, how many 40 years age, 50 years age. Means year wise how many people are involved here, teenagers, then 20 years, then 30 years, then how many are involved in online games, then download. So you have to critically imagine, and then you have to write down the given table suggests. So you can start this. First you will have to point out the topic, then you can start this like this, then comparatively you have to write down. In the last, the amount of time spent on downloads decreases with age and gets at, this is concluding part. So in the last you have to write its concluding part, means actually what you have got by that given data or map or graph. Okay students, I hope you would have understood well. Thank you and Jai Hind.